this into the washing machine. Ready?
Yeah.
Jammed or something. Yeah. Buddy. Right. Just put it in. Put it off to the side. Nothing better to take this out.
Faster? Let's speed up.
Yeah, it's just gonna like do slow ones and then it's gonna actually try. It'll do 2 slow ones and then it'll go fast and then it'll be dead. That'll be the first one. Slow. You can smell the motor again, can you?
Can you do that again?
Yeah. We should do it this time. If not, then the next time under the tank.
Sure.
Should do it any different now.
You can speed up. You can speed up.
Up to 1400?
Yeah. Yeah, go on.
Nah, doesn't need to be that much.
Yeah, of course it does.
It doesn't. That first one was a good one.
Faster.
No. This will be fine. Alright, then it will be, this next time will be it.
And 1200 then.
Fine. Actually, oh, you gotta this time should be it, 100%. Speed up a bit. More. Keep bring it in or
Yeah.
put it in now?
Nice. Is that as fast as it's going to go?
No. But I think that would be good.
No, that's fine.
Is that good? Wait till it accelerates again.
There you go.
That's good. I think that's good.
Still flying. Yeah, that'll do.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Damn. That wasn't very good, was it? See the damage this time?
The great out.
It's strong, isn't it? I'm telling you, these hot points are strong.
Does it turn on?
Does it still spin?
Plug it in.
Come here, let's take it a bit out. Because it was loud earlier. Ooh, it's a lot of mould under there, isn't it?
Mm.
Alright. If it does this again after that time, this thing is strong, isn't it?
Let's get it off the pipe. There we are.
Move the wire back out a bit as well. Just don't want it to like rip the wire if it jumps on it.
Plug them in.
The old Hotpoints, I'm telling you, are strong.
To turn on?
Yep, on again. Ready? Right, now we need the screwdriver, don't we? There's no paddles to stop it now, so... You see the size and the driveway.
One or two.
That Hotpoint is looking at it. So you can run that by, you're going to be nuts. Don't let me, it's too hard to read it. Jesus. Oh, back to this loudness. Those are the drum pedals that came out the drum.
Put the rope on.
See that? That's going in there. That's been 2 times. This is the first time. The old ones are stronger, I'm telling you. Those are the broken up drum pedals that have been smaller. This will be the third time.
I think that motor was fine.
Huh?
I think that motor was fine.
No, it's no burning thing. No burning, what is that? I'm fine, go right on. Please. If the motor was fine, I would have been mad. But it's too late now, isn't it? So, I only got a better one. I'm not really, but... Slow down and do one more and then that'll be it. It needs a service cycle, doesn't it? Like the sound thing, you just press a button, it'll do. You see the dent from the drum.
Let it go full speed this time.
The slower it goes, the times it will jump, because it's more slow and weighty. So if it's slower, yeah, it won't jump as much. The slower, the more slow it will go, the more it will jump. That's the thing.
It would just keep resetting then though, wouldn't it, and doing it again.
Yeah, but it'll last for ages, and that's the cool part. Is it not?
Yeah.
It's a tough one, isn't it? We should have done a live stream.
There's another one for you. Set up the camera next time, do a live stream.
No?
It was faster than that last time.
Huh?
It was faster than that last time.
That's what I thought. Oh, it's on full spin now. Did you do that?
No?
You turned up to full speed, didn't you?
Come on.
We'll accelerate in a minute. Now. Oh. I smell the motor again.
That's one of them.
I can smell it. Or it might just been the leftover smell, but I can smell something. Bro,
is it?
Just went down again. Maybe it's gonna do it this time. Oh no. Bruh. Bruh. See, I told you don't wait too long.
They didn't.
I did. I said now. Nope. Now. Nope. Oh, I gotta do this. Right, we're doing it when it's on the second speed slow, okay?
Go on then.
Because it has more jumping to it. No, it'll stop again in a minute. See? That wouldn't have lasted long, would it?
No.
Wait till it gets to like the last bit, and then it'll go for a bit. At a slower pace. Never knew plastic could be so loud. Did you? Titanium cover gas. Oh no, not titanium.
Stainless steel.
Stainless. Come on. No. I'm not sure if this is the time now. You gonna slow down or? Speed up or slow down?
Bit more slow down, isn't it?
Yep. Alright, this third one will be it. Oh, not this again.
Yep.
No?
Yep.
No, it's not jumping. Shutting the door did that. Shutting the door just. The washing machine, I shut the door and it just went whoa. It hit the glass, that's why. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, it unplugged. That's why. Oh, if it didn't unplug. But that would still work, I think. Should we try and move it back?
Yeah.
Jeez. Oh my god. I'm too scared now. It's the fact that it literally just spazzed out everywhere. There you go, that's good, that's good. It doesn't matter. It still spins. That's the... This will be... Hang on. No! Yeah, plug it in. This thing, yeah, I recorded it. It didn't jump. These things are like insane. The screwdriver just experienced a near-death experience, bro. Poor screwdriver. You gonna?
Motor's gone, he said.
No, like it's burned. The rubber's bent. The rubber's bent. I think it's gonna take a minute. Look, that is just waiting. It didn't come. I closed the door.
Next time, close the door and hold on to it.
Hell no. I'm not trying to die, am I? But the whole thing is there. It lasted longer than I thought. Fourth to fifth time, innit?
Those two cycles, it'll speed up in a minute.
Yeah, it's like on a cycle, but it was difficult. If it had a service on it, it would just go. But it doesn't have a service on it, so... You imagine if it lasts this one, there's no way. Look at it, it's bending now. Come on. This one ain't it. No, I hope not. There you go, it'll slow down and the third one will be it, yeah? I hope. See, this is worth more than getting a coffee. Oh, she laughed. She watched the most boring part and leaves the fun part. I'm filming that. Wait for it to speed up again. No. Oh, what? Nah, maybe we should leave it wait a little bit longer. That didn't. But the screwdriver didn't even fall. No?
Yeah.
Just started at full speed.
It's gone in.
Oh, it's smoking. Oh. Shall I unplug it?
Yeah.
Jeez. That was the crazy. Oh, that's the rubber. That's the rubber burning. It's fine.
Yeah.
I don't want to put my hand in there.
Alright, I pulled the rubber off the door and it still spins.
I'm gonna yank this out real quick.
Yeah.
Oh, that works. No.
Go on then, plug him in.
Oh, you don't want to move it back? I think it'll be fine. That was actually mental. Did you hear it? Did not stop, did it? Well, Mum should have watched that one. She would have loved it. Wouldn't have she?
It turns on.
Right. I'm worried because last time it just started at full speed.
Right, just try it.
Nah. Seems crazy how strong it is, isn't it? To lift it. Look at the glass. It's in scratch. Look. I think crazy, that's the only thing, actually end the video, so you're going to have to do like part 1, part 2, part 3, unless you want to get things done. It's so strong, isn't it? Like, it seems so loose. Is that the glass? Like that. I think the glass is actually like, the glass is turned, it flips and it turns into... Yeah, it's insane. Come on. No. 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 Oh, thank God. That could have got stuck in the tub and ripped its tub up. Is it rubbing against the metal? No, the rubber. I'm so surprised with it, aren't you? And it's longest lasting one, I think, isn't it? The Old Hotpoint to this boat different.
This one?
I don't know. Yeah, it's this one. Ready?
Yep.
No, no!
Put it in.
Oh, How are we gonna clean that up?
You gotta clean that up. Right.
I don't want to touch it. I might cut myself. Got a strong one. You can withstand a cut. Has it dropped? Has the drum dropped at all? No. Does it still spin?
Probably.
I don't want to touch it. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Maybe fine.
That's actually insane.
Alright, leave it to that for a minute.
No. Ready? Oh no, I need drum. That's dangerous, isn't it? Oh. What am I gonna do?
Okay, which one? Next one.
Oh no.
Speed up a bit, isn't it?
Oh, this is this next one. I thought he should have stopped it and had I don't like that. drum still spins.
Oh dear.
It still spins. Right, look at. Oh my god. Hey, look at this. Oh.
Oh, hello.
That's
That's not spinning now.
Huh? It will. Look, ready? I will touch that. Look, ready? Look. Right. Still spins. Try again. Do you want to empty out the drum? Or is it not even possible now?
No, not really.
Do you want to take out the weight? So I don't want to take it out. You need to hurt yourself. Like, cut yourself by accident. Right, I'll press start, yeah? How's that still going? I'm surprised, aren't you? Look what it's done to the floor. I don't know how this still works.
Well, the motor obviously was alright.
No. It's worth it. It was worth the fun. For free. Maybe it was just that time, wasn't it? Right, this will be it. I'm worried about my eyes. That's the thing.
Put it out of balance. You put it out of balance, you just do that one.
Yeah, and that goes insane. You should take time by putting this thing back on, but it's a bit late. Right, we'll bit speed up. If it lasts this time, this thing's indestructible.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Do you think it would still spin?
Yeah, pull the plug out.
Oh, really? No, wait. That's right. No. It's gonna launch. It's gonna go like... Huh? Close. No. I wouldn't. Look at it. Screwdriver, where you at? Screwdriver, bro.
There.
Is it okay? Screwdriver. Oh, the glass shattered, the drum dropped, the whole top's kind of coming off. It's fine. It's indestructible. It's Old Hotpoint. You just drove through the door now, couldn't you? So it's fine. Very sharp. Look in the phone, isn't it? Look in the back, isn't it? The whole top is like... Slowly work, isn't it? The boat will go before the actual whole thing. Stand back here while we're just waiting for it because it's arrived. It's long lasting, isn't it? We could have brought this to the yard really, couldn't we? Could have done this in the yard. Wait, where's the glass? I think the glass is gone. No, I don't know. Was it not thanks to an error?
Obviously not.
These things just don't care, I guess. We could just throw it through the glass now, couldn't we? That little movement. How is this thing still alive? They just built this one. I guarantee you that one is actually great. The second try. Isn't this like the 6th try? No.
It's doing well.
Do you think this one will be it? No. I think this one will be it. It's basically resting on the floor. One spring's probably hanging on because it looks like it's off to the side. Look at this metal. Insane. Oh, that's just on that. With no, like, just a weight. I guess there's no glass in it now. Well, it's probably little shards, but not much.
It's all empty out on the floor, though, looks of it.
Is that brush it? Oh, what's that? This time's it, innit? Is this the third try? The first time it's done it? Third?
Hey?
Yep, it's it.
Is it?
Yep, ready?
Yeah. Right, we better clean that mess up.
How would you think it would still turn on? I mean, the whole control board's over here, look. Look. This is the thing. That. You think if I press start, it'll turn on.
It's unplugged, isn't it?
It is. I don't know how that went. Still went.
Where does it plug in?
I don't know. Bluetooth?
I think that's dead now.
That has to be. Do you want to turn it to the front? Oh my god. Inside. Oh, that's actually... That's insane. Oh, do you think we can plug it back in? The belt's fallen off, so we just need to put the belt back on and it'll be fine. Look, try and push it forward real quick.
How? Look, see, look. Oh, I don't want to touch it. What if it's hot? Push it forward. No. Try that. Cool. There you go. Make sure it's wrapped around the motor. Okay, just keep turning it. It looks like it's about to come off the motor, right? Yeah, just came off the motor. Is it hot? Would the motor be hot? Probably.
The belt is almost...
Oh, it snapped the belt. Well, the belt isn't snapped. They're still holding on and all. No. And you think we could plug it back in? With the... Right, bring it back up. I am not waiting for this, am I? These guys have experience.
Oh, that is. What's that?
I don't know where that goes into. Might have actually just ripped it out.
There.
Ah, shall I plug it in? There's no flipping way. Wait. No! No! Hey! The pump! That's the... No! Oh my god, wait, no, wait, we need to plug it in, don't we? It's safe to plug it in.
Yeah.
Loads up. No! No way! Where's the screwdriver? We need the screwdriver. Is it sitting on it? No, it's over there. There's no way. The whole drum is just... Wait. Wait, no, take it out. The weight. Ooh, there you go, now. And I'll press start, yeah? No way. Right. Put it in again. Is there any more plugs that could be plugged in? I think it's actually good.
Close that door.
Oh, whatever this is. Oh, the water. The water supply. Oh.
What's that?
Oh, the tub's actually... Is this what we get for trying a plastic, getting a plastic? What is that? Is that a whole circuit board in... Oh, there's something unplugged there.
Yeah. Trying to see where it goes.
The glasses are coming in handy. Look at that motor. It's a big motor, isn't it?
Let's turn it on its side if you can.
Oh, I don't like... What's it sitting on? It's making it pop up. Oh, it's just sitting on all its dead way. No, it's a big dent on it. How? Is what I'm wondering. I actually can't believe this. It says the pump. Look. The pump's just...
No other one, is it? I've gone. That's got a plug somewhere.
Ugh. Look at all that sludge waste.
Yeah.
It's me. Uh-huh. No.
No.
Where'd that go into?
I don't know.
Something's making it not start.
Yeah.
Wait. I think I just found out what that plug goes into.
Where?
Maybe it meant to go into that little plug thing in the pump. Maybe, even though it's not even made.
No, it's different
There it is.
terminals. No, it's different terminals.
Is that a ball?
I think it's dead, bud.
Oh. That's great.
Okay.
Plug it in one more time. It plugs in the water wet. Well, it's not wet.
Come on, here we go.
Some dry leaves.
Just keep your fingers away from the pins.
Turn on. You need the screwdriver again. Where is it? Oh, I see why it's changed cycle. Back on beat. There. Now put it in. Just realised. No!
Let's try again.
There's no way it goes again. I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't.
Why?
Oh. Sometimes you could just...
Unplug it
No.
and re-plug it in.
Alright. Looks like someone's PCB's actually broke. It's not faulty, it's broken. Ready?
Yep.
Is it locked? No, it's not locked. It's unlocked. Alright. Come on. It's trying. It is trying.
No.
That was a cool smash though, wasn't it? Wasn't it?
Mm. Done.
Yep, I guess that is.